Salsa Verde, or green salsa, a tangier salsa than the salsa roja, just as good and easy to make.
That's verde and roasted. So what you want to do first is remove the husk off the tomatillo and give it a nice rinse because it's going to be a little sticky, icky.
Cut those in fourths.
A white onion, of course, remove the skin and cut them in eighths. I'm just going to use a half a jalapeno because these things be burning.
If you want less heat, remove the seeds and membrane.
About 4 cloves of garlic. You can keep these in the husk. Now place this in the oven under the broiler for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Be sure to give them a flip midway through. Now you can add all your roasted ingredients to a food processor or blender. You can also do this in a molcajete, but that's another video.
I got this chipotle pepper also.
Then add about this much cilantro, some lime juice.
Gotta add some salt for the mix and some water.
I thought that was cool, but I pressed the wrong button on the food processor. Anyway, just that easy. Salsa Verde.